Some months ago, I introduced to you Jinping and Cdoge, and a lot of you made a lot of profits from these two projects before it got casted. This time around, a new one just got launched, and it is very new. You can make a lot of profit from this project by simply completing some basic tasks that I am going to show you how to do in this video. And no, this one is also 100% free. You don't have to do any transaction or do any deposits or the other. All you basically have to do is follow the steps that I'm about to show you in this video. The first thing to do now is to pick the link, the registration link from the description box of this video, or you can check the comment section. Most especially if you're watching from TikTok, check the comment section, pick the link, paste it in your browser, and it is going to redirect you to your Telegram, where you can now proceed with the registration and the preceding task. Once the registration link opens up, you are going to be directed to this bot. Then you click on start, and as you can see, there are four main tasks that you have to complete for you to be able to receive this token. And the first one here is to join their Telegram channel. So what you basically have to do is to click on that link, allow it to load up, and you can see this is the Telegram channel. You click on join, and as for me, I'm going to mute this channel so their notifications will not disturb me. Then you follow them on Twitter. That is the second task. Make sure you have a registered Twitter account, and you can see Astro Pepe on Twitter. So you click on follow, and that is basically how to do it. So let me head back into the Telegram bot right now. Okay. All right. Now we can now do the third task, which is to join their group. This their group is also on Telegram, so you simply click on it, and it is like a group chat where people can, I think people can drop messages here. You can see I've joined and the bot has welcomed me. So that is basically it. I'll head back again, and the fourth task is to react on Deck Screener. Now, as for me, I have Deck Screener application installed on my phone already. So if you want to do this, go and install Deck Screener application. You sign up on it. Registration is easy. All you have to do is sign up with your email. Once you've signed up, you are going to be given an account, and this is their pig here, Astro Pepe. So they asked me to react. All I simply have to do is to scroll to the bottom and look for where to react and do the reaction. So as you can see, I'll scroll to the bottom, and if you look, this first option, that rocket, all you simply have to do is to click on it and they'll verify your distance. So you just basically have to wait for the verification to complete. Once the verification is complete, you can now proceed with the other task or the other steps, blah blah blah. So I'm going to hold on and wait for them to verify me. All right, I think my reaction has been added already. So I'll simply head back into my Telegram from here. All right, this is my Telegram here. The last thing to do now is to now click on confirm, and everything is done. So now I have to complete this captcha in order for me to proceed. And what I'm seeing here is 48JX. Oh, 47. I made a mistake there. So I'm going to go ahead and type it afresh again. So WZ, then C and D, all in capital letter. Once I send, you can now see you were invited by Zimansky. Just like that. Then I'm done, and I'll simply have to click on this LFG to see what is in store. So according to them, they say I should visit their website to know more about Astro Token. So I'm just going to click on open the website, and on the site, I'm just going to scroll up a bit just for it to show the bot that I have opened the link, I have visited their website, just some easy thing like that. So this is their site here. And also, if you need more information, I think they do drop information on this their portal here, so you can always come to this their website to read things and some other stuff just like that. So I'm just basically going to scroll up, then scroll back down, and then I'll click on that X to exit from this page. I want to go back into the Telegram bot. Now I'm done. All I have to do is click on all done, and you can see this is their page here. So reading this, they say congratulations to new tech. You will receive a one-time bonus of 500 APP for completing social media tasks. To receive, get a bonus, click on the get bonus button, blah blah blah. So what I simply have to do is to click on this get bonus. If you look at this button at the middle, get bonus. So once I click on it, They say congratulations, you have received 500 APP, and that is basically how to go about it. What I want to do next now is to test the withdrawal if it is working. So I'm going to go ahead and click on withdraw. And as you can see, they say this will be enabled at the end of the airdrop campaign. This is exactly what Cdoge did. You cannot withdraw immediately. You have to wait for, I think, a week speculated time and blah blah blah. But this one, they say they're going to announce their withdrawal on this their Telegram community here. So make sure you belong to their community. Whenever the time to claim arrives, you can simply click on withdraw, and then you paste in your Solana or your Phantom wallet address, and they'll send you your coins. In the meantime, what you can keep doing is to accumulate more tokens, and the way to accumulate more tokens is by referring people to this platform. So you simply click on this referral section, and then you copy your link and refer. Now, if you look here, they just have 74,692 people. This shows that this project is very, very early and not a lot of people are on it currently. So make sure to join now, start accumulating fast, start referring, and that is basically how to go about it. Now, if you love updates like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And with the link in the description box, join my Telegram channel.